So the beauty of RadioRa2 is that I'm not running any new wires in your house. I'm taking out dumb switches and replacing them with smart switches. And at a few locations, I'm taking that switch out and replacing it with a 6-button keypad, which I can create scenes on. So, with that outdoor lighting, we know what circuits they are. You tell me, the homeowner, I'd like them to come on 30 minutes before sunset, and I'd like them to go off at 11.
It's amazing.
And it's done. Because now, every day, sunset's happening, 5 to 10 minutes earlier. So the astronomical clock saves you all the time. Because you don't come home June 2nd to at 6 o'clock. And the lights are already on. Meanwhile, it's not going to get dark till 8 because you forgot to go out. Your little adjust my little. No, that's Stone Age. Lutron RadioRa is completely retroed into a house and any portion of that house you want. What I love and what families love is that I can turn on their outdoor lights relative to sunset. But when you come home and you hit the car visor, it opens up your car door, your garage door, excuse me. It turns on all the lights in the garage, not that little 60-watt bulb that's hiding in your motor. And then it turns on the path to the mudroom, into the kitchen, the family room, breakfast area, all lit up. Super, especially if you have young kids and you've got your grocery bags and you're about to go head over heels because Johnny left his toy on the floor right where you're about to walk. So super convenient, but also a real safety.
And when you're leaving the house, that one I'm
all off.
Shuts them all off.
Yeah. No, tremendous. In a kitchen, in the room we've been talking about, typically you're going to have 4 or 5 circuits of lighting, right? You're going to have your under cabinet lighting. You're going to have hi-hats in the ceiling, sort of general area illumination. You may have some wall washers that are throwing light onto objects that you want to draw attention to. And then you're going to have your task lighting. And all those layers go together to set a scene that is appropriate for what you're doing. So you've got a cooking scene, you've got a cleanup scene, you've got a, we're serving food scene, so we take this bright light down, and now we're going to go sit down. We're going to sit down in the breakfast room, we're going to sit down in the living room. We need some light in here, but it's no longer a working space, so we can really take it down.
Right. And I'll put some pictures up to show, because I put some pictures up of the lighting that you guys have on bravoav.com. Go to galleries, go to kitchen, and you can see the warmth. You can see the ambience in a picture. So imagine sitting there with the lights dim.
Well, so we're very much involved with lighting design. And with the new LEDs, we've got a lot of things we can do. You've got to figure out what the color temperature is. You got to make sure you got the right CRI. You got to get the right beam spread. You got to get the right luminance value in that fixture. We work on all that, so that you have what you need.
But when you talk about CRI and lumens, you don't have to worry about that. You're going to allow Tom to come in your home, design it, and he's going to say, okay, we'll do it. Right. And I will throw some pictures up again of CRI, the different, how it brings out the reds and stuff like that. Really amazing.
Yeah.
Especially if you're a restaurant and you want the red in your meats. You have something, apples in a fruit store. I mean, really cool stuff. Diamonds. If you have a diamond store, we'll have some really nice lighting on that. Make sure the diamonds look good.
So the kitchen is the focal point of the family. So much stuff happens here. So we got great sound. We got great light control, and that makes this room so much more inviting, so much more usable.
Absolutely.
If you have questions, if you're thinking about doing a kitchen remodel, please call us. We'd love to help you. We'll work with your kitchen designer, because you're going to have a kitchen designer, because you're going to, what kind of island, what are my custom cabinets, am I using a Sub-Zero, what's my range look like? Those things are way beyond our pay grade, but we know how to integrate our lighting and our sound with all that's going on.
I can't tell you, I think one of the biggest values that you will provide as Bravo AV and Tom is the lighting design. Don't ever think that you're going to design the lighting or you're going to just have your cousin or uncle design the lighting. I've been on far too many projects, whether it's a kitchen or a basement.
Yeah.
The house is together, the lights come on, and it's like, well, we need lamps in here now. We need, I'm telling you, I don't know, you guys charge for lighting design or is?
Depends on what we're doing.
Right.
Right. If they want to design only, then we're charging. But if it's part of a larger service, it's all together.
Don't guess on hi-hats, drops, pendants.
Right.
Go to the professional. Be happy. Right.
Yeah. Right.
Because you're
gonna be living with it for a long time.
Yeah. Even the color of the light. I mean,
I
can't say enough about the lighting design that these guys do.
Yeah.
I'll put some pictures up. All right.
Thank you for watching. It's Tom Curran with Bravo AV.
Rob from National Smart Home. Check out bravoav.com. Go to the knowledge base. I'm going to put a link downstairs. I'm going to put a link below specifically for the kitchen lighting design because I think you'll see what we're talking about just out of pictures alone. Thanks again.
Thank you.